snake stopper. First thing I'm doing today. Doesn't smell bad. Doesn't smell good. It smells like menthol. Now that I got the snake stopper sprinkled out, I want to cut these trees down today. Yes, that little one that's only a half a tree, I'm counting that as one. I have 33 I need to cut down by December 31st. These guys are kind of tall too. But I need to cut them down so I can get some sun on this dirt come next summer. It's time to chap up, put my helmet on, and get to work. Gonna cut this guy up. We're gonna do this big guy right there. I'm worried he's gonna take out the huckleberries, but I think they'll grow back if they do. 32 to go. berries are still there. Now I gotta cut this big sucker up. Fudge, it's huge, but it worked out great. Hoping it would have hit that tree up there and knocked that Widowmaker down, but not quite. But yeah, that's a long son of a gun. But I got cleaning him up. And then I got those two that I hope to get done today. But I'm down to 31. Cleanup time. That last tree was a lot of work. Took me a long time, but I got it done. And now I was debating if I was going to fall this guy or not. But I'm going to do it because I want to fall him. That'll put me at 33, or that'll put me at 30. And that'll mean I have to do 10 for September. Oh, I have 4 months left. I was thinking I'd do 10 a month. But that will have 30 left. Just finish off with a nice even number. So hopefully I could fall this guy safely. Let's get to it before the sun sets. Did it safely. 3 for the day. Means 30 left for the year. But now I gotta do the fun part and clean up. We'll see what it looks like after I take care of my mess. I'll be back, guys. I'm calling it a day. I'm tired, it's hot. It's supposed to rain, but it didn't. But still, work's gotta get done. I didn't cut this one up all the way. It requires energy and muscle, and I'm tapped out for the day. But I safely fell 3 trees, so that means it was a great day. And then, as soon as the burning ban goes into effect, I want to start falling more because my brush piles are all full. But I can cut those, let them dry out. Then once the burn ban is lifted, I could just start throwing it on the pile. But yeah, today was a success. For those of you that have watched, thank you. I appreciate you. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks again, guys.